Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and set up a Stripe payment link. So a Stripe payment link is a simple way to accept payments without needing to build a website or create a checkout page from scratch. You can create a link, send it to customers, and they can pay you directly through Stripe. So to get started, sign into your Stripe dashboard. So once you are on the main page, look at the top right corner and click the plus icons. From the menu that appears, select payment link. You can also use the shortcut C plus L to be taken directly to the payment link page, and you'll now be taken to the payment link setup page. So the first thing you need to do here is to add a product. So click add new product, then enter a name for the item or service that you're charging for. You can use any name that matches what you're selling or offering. Next, add a short description. So this helps customers understand what they are paying for. You can also upload an image if you'd like it to appear on the checkout page. So this step is optional, but it can make the payment page look more professional. After that, choose whether this will be a one-time payment, then enter the amount that you want to charge. And you can also select the currency that you want to receive payments in. So once everything looks correct, click add product, and now you'll see the product listed on the payment page. If needed, you can add more products and services to the same payment link. So for example, if you offer different types of services, you can include multiple options in one checkout page. So for this tutorial, I'll keep it simple and use only one product. Next, open the options section. So in here, you'll find several settings that you can turn or turn off. Manage payments helps Stripe handle parts of the payment process for you. Collect tax automatically can calculate and collect taxes when required. And collect customer names, ask customers to enter the name during checkout. Collect business names is useful when you're charging a company instead of an individual. And collect customer address allows a customer to provide their billing address, require a phone number, ask for a contact number during payment, and limit the number of payments restricts how many times the payment link can be used. So for this example, enable the limit number of payments. This can help prevent the same link from being used more times than intended. So the other settings are available if you need them, but we'll leave them off for now. And you may also notice an option to change the button text from pay to something like book or donate, depending on what you're offering. So for this tutorial, we'll keep it to set to pay. And before finishing everything up, you can preview how the checkout page will look on both desktop and mobile devices. And customers will be able to choose supported payment methods such as a Apple Pay or a credit or debit card. So once you're happy with everything, click create link, and then Stripe will generate your payment link right away. So copy the link and send it to anyone who needs to make a payment. When they open it, they'll be taken directly to the checkout page where they can complete their payment securely. And that is all there is to it. Creating a Stripe payment link is quick, simple, and a convenient way to start accepting payments online. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.